I'm Meghan Daniel from United Water Restoration Group. We have 13 locations corporately, and we have 24 open locations for franchise. So we're a fairly large company. Prior to discovering PSA, we had gone through 2 different companies that we tried working with systems. The first one was not very functional as far as the features that it offered. It did not allow us to get off of using paper. So we moved to our second system. It really was plagued with errors and bugs, and it was very slow to work with. The mobile functionality of the second system we had tried also was lacking. So this left our technicians oftentimes being unable to even use any of the documentation that we had available to them through the mobile app, which left them having to have no choice but to resort to paper still. So we decided we really needed a better solution. This is when we discovered PSA. Our first look at it had several features that we really liked and thought would be beneficial. Specifically, the way that the mobile app functions. You can use it anywhere. You don't have to worry if you have service or not. So that means we know that our technicians should always be able to document the job properly and fully when they're in our customer's home, no matter where they are. So finally, all of our documentation has moved off of paper, and we've been able to really hone in on our processes, creating workflows and specific requirements for our employees and our franchisees so that we can become more efficient. And they've really helped us to become even more automated than we ever have been before, which really has saved our staff a lot of time. We also really love working with PSA because they really make it a specific goal of their company to work with their actual users. They really listen to any issues that we come across, are always looking for solutions, and they're also forward thinking. So even before we can come up with an issue, they're already looking for solutions for things that we don't even know we need yet. So it's really been a joy to be able to work with them.